Oh, Saka, we need that today. We need that in 3-on-3. Save some for the 3-on-3, will you? I got to shoot now, yeah, I have a shot. He's wasting all their goals. Save some goals, man. Hit him in the chest a couple times. Yep.
Those hands ready for 3-on-3, eh?
Buddy, they're born ready for 3-on-3. That's what this guy was made for right here.
You guys got a veteran too.
We do. We got a one-time champion, Saka Salomon. There's two guys, you know,
Cameron Darcy.
The one guy knows what it takes. Two guys willing to do what it takes.
An older college
You
guy.
know what? We got three guys. We got two other guys. You know what?
Hey, sit guys, sit guys, sit.
They're good. Saka, behind you, behind you.
Put that one. My hole?
All the way around. All the way around. 1-0. You? You? 1-0. Oh god. This is nerve-wracking, isn't it? Oh my god. 10 guys in the way. Play, bro. Hey? You fucking missed me by this much. This much, right in the face. Come on, 10 seconds! Yes! Yeah! What? You didn't call it. If it's a penalty, tell us, because we're not going to hold on to it. We're going to try and score. We're going to try and score. You called hooking during the game and didn't tell us. You got to let us know. You have to let us know. That's how we're going to play. I'm coming. I'm good. My foot's like numb, man. My toes.
I know, me too.
I tie my skates too tight. Or maybe they should have been on for 4 days straight. Ah. Am I just fine though?
Chevy! Go and see.